Getting started in Autodesk Netfabb is relatively quick and easy. We're going to start by changing our platform to Origin One. If it doesn't show up in My Machines over here, you can go up to click My Machines and go ahead and type in Stratasys. You'll add machine, scroll down to find Stratasys, and scroll down to find the Origin One. I've already added it here. So there it is there. And if I simply double click here, it'll switch over to the Origin One size platform. We're going to get ready to import some of our STLs. I can choose Add Part. It will open a window. It will allow me to navigate to the folder I'm looking for. And the first practice part we're going to look at is the bracket practice. Now, once that is into your window, there are a couple of ways we can orient it. If it is not the correct size, you can go up to Modify and choose Convert Units, where you have simple conversions depending on what it was outputted and or exported and imported in.